Multicellular organisms. On completion of this unit, the student will be able to discuss cellular organization of multicellular organisms, describe life processes of some multicellular organisms.
All organisms are composed of cells, the fundamental unit of life. Multicellular organisms are those organisms which are made up of more than one cell. Most of the life that can be seen with the naked eye is multicellular. Whether it is a fern or a rhinoceros, whatever is visible to our naked eye are made up of many cells. In fact, they have millions of cells present in them. In multicellular organisms, specialized cells perform specialized functions. Human being is the best example of multicellular organisms because humans contain different types of cells. Different types of cells form different systems. These systems are organized in ways that enable them to survive and reproduce. Development of a multicellular organism is a very complicated and time-consuming process. But there are certain simple multicellular organisms also. Some multicellular species are microscopic. Hydra, Mucor, and Spirogyra are the examples of multicellular microscopic organisms. This is Hydra. A hydra is a small multicellular organism. The body of a hydra is formed in the shape of a tube. One end of a hydra has a foot, called a basal disc, and the other end of the tube is surrounded by tentacles. This is Mucor, a type of mold. It consists of fine threads called hyphae. The tip of these hyphae develop into black structures known as sporangium. When sporangia burst, spores are released. Spirogyra are a free-floating filamentous form of green algae. Commonly seen as bright green masses on the surface of freshwater ponds and ditches. Spirogyra cells are cylindrical in shape and are connected end to end, forming a long, unbranched filament-like structure.
Let us answer some questions to revise our learning about multicellular organisms. Millions of cells are present in multicellular organisms. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Development of multicellular organisms is usually very complicated. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Which multicellular organism has tentacles on its oral groove? The correct answer is Hydra. Which multicellular is a fungus and reproduces by spores? The correct answer is mold. Which one is a multicellular green algae? The correct answer is Spirogyra. Which organism is microscopic in spite of being multicellular? The correct answer is Hydra.